In this video, you will learn how to adjust the line width in Microsoft Excel line graph. Currently, you can see here I have generated a multiple line graph and each line have different line width. In this tutorial, we will only learn how to adjust the line width. If you are interested to generate line graph from single set or multiple data sets, then separate tutorials are available on our channel. So let's start this tutorial without any further delay. If this video is helpful for you, then please like this video and subscribe our channel for more informative videos. In a separate sheet, I have already entered the data. Firstly, I will select this data to generate a multiple line graph. I have selected this data. Go to insert option, and in insert option you will find the option of line graph. Click here and you will find the option of 2D line graph. I will select first one. So if you are interested to conditionally format this graph like this one, then separate tutorials are available on our channel. You can watch that one. So the focus of our video is how to adjust the line width. To do this, firstly I will adjust the minimum and maximum values so these lines become more clear for you. I will click here, right click, go to format axis. From here I will adjust minimum value to 100 and maximum value to 240. That's good. Now firstly I will change the width of this line. I will select this line. So you can see here the whole line is selected. It is indicated by these squares that only this line is selected. You can only change the width of only this line. After selecting this line, I will right click and you will find the option of format data series. In format data series, go to fill and line option, and in line option you can see here there is a option of width. I will change width to 5 pt. Now you can see here the width of line is changed now. If I want to change the width of this line, which is indicated with 25 degrees centigrade, I will select this line. Currently you can see here these squares appeared, which means only this line is selected. Now I will right click by placing my cursor on this line and again go to format data series, go to fill and line option, and from width option I will adjust it width to 3.5 pt and I will close this one. Now you can see here the width of this line is changed now. So by doing so you can easily change the width of line graph in Microsoft Excel. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.